Hello friends, my name is CA Vishal Thakkar and I am here to welcome you on yet another webinar on IFRS. Hey, one more webinar. I am frustrated attending all these webinars. When will this stop? I know webinar fatigue is setting in and it's very difficult for people to attend more and more webinars. But let me tell you something. You have to come across a few wrong webinars before you could attend the right one. And yes, I'm telling you, this one is the right webinar if you are a finance professional and you want to take your career to the next level. So, are you worried about skill gap on your resume as companies are moving to Ind AS and IFRS? Are you looking for a next level career progression in financial reporting? Are you unable to grasp the practical implications of IFRS? Are you constantly encountering too many arguments with auditors on technical matters? Do you struggle to anticipate implications of IFRS on your business? Are you frustrated due to lack of structured approach in financial reporting? Wish to be a standout performer in your team with appraisals and hikes? Are you a go-getter finance professional wanting to be a top-notch in your domain? If you need all of this, do join me on 27th of May, sharp at 4 p.m. India time. And let me tell you, this free webinar can actually change your destiny. Do remember, I'm CA Vishal Thakkar and I'm excited about taking your IFRS knowledge to the next level.